High Performance Vertical Machining Center by Harmukh Technologies. All standard parts of our machines are highly accurate, which is the technology of India, Germany, Japan, and US. High precision spindle, with less than 2 micron accuracy. All axes adopted with roller linear guide ways for rigid and accurate motion. Ground ball screw for accurate positioning accuracy and repeatability. Drum type twin arm high speed automatic tool changer. CNC controller with user-friendly interface, and high accurate servo motors for superior finish, accurate axis motions, and low power consumption. Harmukh Technologies has designed and developed VMC machines from its 12 years of machine design experience and research. The golden triangle frame. The bottom of column is specially designed with a shaped structure to increase machine stability while machining. Volcano rib structure design base with superior rigidity. The headstock is specially designed with square rib structure to increase Z-axis stability without vibrations while machining. Harmukh Technologies introduced 4 different size models of vertical machining center. Cup 450, Cup 650, Panthera 850, Panthera 1050. Harmukh Technology is also designed and develop customized machines as per customer requirements. Contact now for more information.